Awning windows are a popular choice among Miami Beach homeowners thanks to their stylish design, excellent ventilation, and ability to stay open even during light rain. Their top-hinged construction makes them ideal for coastal living, where breezes are welcomed and natural airflow is essential. But because Miami Beach experiences heavy rainfall, humidity, and coastal storms, proper installation is critical to preventing leaks and ensuring long-term performance. Even the highest quality awning window can leak if it's not installed correctly. Professional installation is the key to keeping your home dry, comfortable, and protected, no matter what the weather brings. Here's how expert installers help prevent leaks in awning windows across Miami Beach. Precision measurements ensure a tight, leak-free fit. Awning windows must fit the window opening with absolute precision. Even small gaps can allow water to seep in during Miami Beach's intense downpours. Professional installers ensure accurate, custom measurements, square, level openings, proper shimming for a secure and balanced fit, zero gaps that could allow water intrusion. This exact fit is one of the most important factors in preventing leaks, especially in coastal climates where wind-driven rain is common. Expert flashing installation protects against water intrusion. Improper or missing flashing is one of the leading causes of window leaks, especially in homes near the coast. Flashing acts as a protective barrier that directs water away from your window and prevents it from entering your home's structure. Professional installers use high-quality waterproof flashing tape. Proper overlap techniques, correct placement to guide water downward and outward. This step keeps exterior moisture from reaching the window frame or interior walls, significantly reducing the risk of water damage. High-quality sealants designed for coastal conditions. Miami Beach's combination of salt air, humidity, and high UV exposure can quickly break down low-quality caulking. This leads to cracks, gaps, and, ultimately, leaks. Professional installers use premium, weather-resistant sealants specifically engineered for coastal climates. These sealants remain flexible through temperature changes, resist UV breakdown, maintain a strong, waterproof bond, seal all exterior edges with long-lasting durability. This ensures your awning windows stay protected year-round, even under intense sun and salt exposure. Proper installation of the awning mechanism. Awning windows rely on hinges and locks that must be aligned correctly for the window to seal tightly when closed. Faulty installation can cause the sash to sit unevenly, leaving small gaps where water can enter. Professional installers make sure that hinges are aligned correctly, the sash closes tightly and evenly, locks engage securely. Weather stripping is fully compressed. This perfect alignment prevents wind-driven rain from seeping in during Miami Beach's heavy storms. Correct weather stripping placement for maximum protection. Weather stripping is your window's first line of defense against air and water infiltration. If it's installed incorrectly, or if pieces are missing, your windows can leak even if everything else is done correctly. Professionals ensure weather stripping fits tightly around the sash. All edges are fully sealed. Materials are rated for high humidity and salt air. No gaps exist where water can penetrate. High-quality weather stripping makes a major difference in preventing leaks. Accounting for Miami Beach's wind-driven rain, coastal storms often produce rain that blows sideways or upward. Awning windows, which open outward, must be installed with this weather pattern in mind. Local professionals understand proper angles and overhangs, pressure differences created by coastal winds, how to reinforce windows against upward blowing rain. This local expertise is crucial for long-term leak prevention. Protecting your home from hidden water damage. Improper installation often leads to leaks that go unnoticed until costly damage occurs. Professional installers help prevent mold growth, wall rot, damaged drywall, compromised insulation, structural deterioration by eliminating entry points for water. They protect the longevity of your home as well as your windows. Final thoughts. Awning windows offer excellent ventilation and style for Miami Beach homes, but their performance depends heavily on how well they're installed. With professional installation, you get airtight seals, proper flashing, high-quality materials, and expert alignment that prevent leaks even during intense coastal storms. When installed by professionals, awning windows deliver long-lasting protection, better comfort, and complete peace of mind. no matter what Miami Beach weather brings.